Hello friends, welcome to my channel Master the Monster. Let's enter into the world of polynomials. Trust me, this is going to be an easy and interesting section of mathematics. You may have few doubts and questions regarding polynomials, the degree of polynomials, zeros, division of polynomials, what are quadratic polynomials, geometric meaning, all those things in your mind. No worries, let us sort out all the questions one by one. Before that, subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy learning maths.
Class 10 Cbse Maths, Chapter 2 Polynomials, Exercise 2.4, Problem number 4. If the zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cubed minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus or minus root 3, we find the other zeros. Okay, an exactly similar problem we have discussed and solved in exercise 2.3. I have given the link of the video in the description box, so you can also go through it so that we will have a very clear understanding of these such type of problems, right? Okay. Now given polynomial p of x equal, it's a fourth degree polynomial, so it's x power 4 minus 6x cubed minus 226x square plus 138x minus 35. Since it is a polynomial of degree 4, it should have at most how many roots? 4 roots. That is 4 zeros, isn't it? Okay, now you are given 2 roots. That is 2 plus root 3 is 1 root and 2 minus root 3 is the other. So you are given 2 zeros and you will have to find the remaining 2 zeros. Okay. Now how we have proceeded that problem is 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 are zeros of p of x, isn't it? Zeros of p of x. Therefore, x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3 are factors of p of x. Yes, because if a is a 0, then x minus a is a factor. Okay, now if these two are factors, then their product, that is x minus 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2 minus root 3 is a factor of p of x. Now when you multiply these two terms, that is x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3, let me group the terms as first term x minus 2 plus root 3 separately. Okay. And in the next factor, I'll group x minus 2 and minus root 3 separately. So that this is similar to the form a plus b into a minus b. And the formula is a square minus b square. So a square here is x minus 2 the whole square minus b square is root 3 square. So now let me expand this term. First term is a minus b the whole square. So it's a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here it is a square is x square minus 2ab is 2 into 2 into x. So it is 4x plus b square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. So that I get x square minus 4x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. But p of x is a polynomial of degree 4 and this factor is a polynomial of degree 2. So we want the remaining factor of degree 2 and that is obtained by dividing p of x by this factor. Okay. Now let's divide this p of x by the factor x square minus 4x plus 1 so that the quotient obtained will be the remaining factor and that will be a quadratic factor, and when you factorize it by splitting method you will get 2 zeros. So that will be the required answer, right? Okay, now we'll proceed to divide. Take the first term of dividend and first term of divisor. When you divide, it is x square, that is the first term of quotient. Now let's multiply this x square with the divisor so that you get x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. Let me subtract it from the divided. So x cube minus 4, x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. When you subtract, change the sign of the second polynomial. X power 4 minus x power 4 gets cancelled, and minus 6 plus 4 x cube. So it is minus 2x cube. Minus 26 minus 1, it's x square. Minus 26 minus 1x square is minus 27x square plus 138x. You cannot group it with anything, and constant term you write as it is. Okay, now we'll take the new dividend. First term, divide the first term from divisor so that you get it to be minus 2x. Multiply this minus 2x. This is the minus 2x is the next term of the quotient. Multiply this minus 2x with your divisor so that we get minus 2x cube plus 8x square minus 2x. So minus 2x cube minus 2x square. Plus 8x square minus 2x. Okay, now let me subtract. So change the sign of second term. Change the sign of second polynomial. So the first term gets cancelled. Minus 27x square minus 8x square. So minus 27 minus 8. It's minus 35x square. Plus 138 plus 2. So it is plus 140x minus 35. So now we'll take the first term of the new divisor minus 35x square by x square so that I get minus 35 as the next term of the quotient. So when we multiply this minus 35 with divisor, you get minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. So let me subtract it with the divided. Minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. So when I subtract by changing the sign of all the terms in the second term, we get all the terms cancelled and the remainder is 0. So remember, as we have divided a polynomial by its factor, you should get the remainder 0 only, right? Okay, now we have got the remaining factor. The remaining factor is equal to x square minus 2x minus 35. Now let's split the middle term. For that we have to find two numbers whose sum equal minus 2 and product equal minus 35. And the two numbers for 35 are 7 and 5. But since we need a minus 35, any one of the numbers should be negative. But you see the sum is also negative, so you take the negative sign with the bigger number. Okay, now we'll split the middle term. This is equal to x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. So this is equal to, group the first two terms by taking an x common outside, so it's x minus 7. Group the next two terms by taking a plus 5 common outside, so you get x minus 7. So now x minus 7 is a common factor, so let me take it outside so that the remaining factor will be x plus 5. Okay, so equating the factors to 0, x minus 7 equals 0 gives me x equals 7, and x plus 5 equals 0 gives me x equal minus 5. So the remaining zeros of the given polynomial are 7 and minus 5. So minus 5 and 7 are the remaining zeros of the given polynomial. So this is how we find the remaining two zeros of a fourth degree polynomial given two of its zeros, right?